Alright, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this quick little unboxing video. I don't know how quick, but I'm going to try to make it quick. Unboxing video of the Furrion camera. So if you're an RVer, it's Furrion. This is the S Vision or Vision S, whatever, Furrion Vision S. It's the 5-inch backup camera with the side view camera. So it's a 3-camera system, so it's the 2 side views and also the rear view backup camera. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is not an installation video. I will put a link in the description once I make my installation video. It's just a quick unboxing video. So I want to see it, see everything that comes with it, and we'll do a quick little talk about it. I'll talk about it as I go through things. So see you in a minute. So I'm excited about being able to open this up. So yeah, like I said, this is the one with the 5-inch monitor. There are some with 7. There's a 4.3-inch monitor, but that one does not have the side view cameras. This is the smallest one you can use with the side view cameras. At least that's what I was told by the people at the store. But it's also pretty much small as I saw online as well. So let's go ahead. And I did open this a little. I did not take everything out, but I couldn't help myself. I had to at least look at the you know, the manual, things like that. So you got the manual, everything that comes with it. Like I said, 5 and 7-inch monitors. I went with the 5-inch for 2 reasons. First, it was cheaper, and also because I did not want the, that's what I want to say, it was just a lot smaller. I've got a lot of stuff in my car, in my cab. Once I clean it up and straighten things out, maybe I can show you guys that. But I keep a lot of stuff everywhere. I've got my phone, I've got tablet for navigation, I've got obviously the standard truck navigation screen, chargers and cords, and if I can condense some of those things down, then I definitely want to do that. So, you know, this one has different types of never seen them. There's also the one with side cameras and rear camera with the marker light. Mine does not have the marker light. Marker light is just that little extra light that looks like kind of, I don't know, stoplight on the top. So, but either way, I guess they just put all these different in here. Mine should be the shark fin camera. That's the one I wanted. That's what my camera is pre-wired for, the shark fin setup. So, like I said, this won't be the installation video. This is just quick unboxing, and we'll go over a couple of the different parts that you may need. So you go ahead and pull this out. I'm excited to be able to open this thing up. I've been waiting on this thing for a while. I actually ordered one before, had to send it back because the antenna was all chewed up. I'd ordered one of the like new from Amazon, and It was not like new at all. But this one obviously has a good antenna, which is actually usable. Let's go ahead and keep this stuff kind of in order. Okay, so I don't want to lose any of these. These things like the little rubber stoppers to try to keep these threads from breaking and damaging. This must have been for the other port. That's probably for that. Nope. It's for that one. I don't know. It just doesn't fit anymore. Guess that's why it fell out. Alright, that's not important, but that's... So this is your cigarette lighter port. I don't even know why people still call them cigarette lighter ports when they do that. And this just goes into the back of the camera, or I'm sorry, the monitor, and that's how you'll get power to your monitor. So you plug that up there, bam. I guess if you were keeping the camera close, this is gonna be a camera connection. I can already tell. I think if you want it, maybe you could, whenever there's a way to hot wire this into the car, maybe put it on the switch, but not very necessary to do that. So let's go ahead and put this back in here for now. Keep this to the side because I'm not installing it yet. Looks like it's probably an extra antenna. So this is the Furrion camera. They've already pre-threaded the cord, so if you look in here, they've already cut them there, so you just slide these off when you're ready to make your connection. This way you still have, so make sure, I'm fairly certain you can put these on any, how do I say this, any RV. Mine are pre-wired. It's probably just extra work you'd have to do with running the actual wiring into the system, so that way they all, I think, talk to each other. But it seems like it shouldn't. It should just be power, which is going to be your red and black. That's just your ground, and then it says V plus camera, but I'm pretty sure that's just the power for the camera. And obviously it's just your send a traffic signal. This way it turns on when you turn your lights on for your truck or car or whatever, and obviously this will, signal when you turn your left turn, right turn signal. So whichever one this is. This appears to be the left signal. Yep, so you put this around on the left side of your RV. And there's a fly flying around me, getting on my nerves. It's just your holder for this. So depending on whether or not I decide to mount it here or here. I'll probably end up using this window mount because I think I just want it to be right under my rearview mirror. I think that's the most natural position for me. So when we get to the car, I think it's gonna be there. So that'll probably be the one I use. This will just take up more space in an already congested area. I'm assuming that these screws are for this. I don't know, I'll have to look again. I'm not sure where those screws are. These look like zip ties. Yep, these are zip ties. Probably the cable management. And then obviously our other camera, other side view. So this will be our right camera. Yeah, you want them set up like this. You don't want them to sit like that because obviously that's be facing backwards. Needs to face traffic, so it'll sit like that on the right side. So, right, on the left. Holder. And holder. And let's see. And our shark fin. So this is the easiest one to hook up. I hooked up one similar. I didn't have the Furrion brand because I was being cheap, and I bought a different camera style before. And I'm gonna tell you, if you have the one that's pre-wired for Furrion, save your money. It's probably just worth it. Just go ahead and buy this one. I mean, we're talking about plug and play. This just plugs right into the back, and it'll get power and everything like that from the system. So, and obviously the antenna for this is right here. It's gonna be this antenna. So I'll go ahead and screw that in. Now, while I have it, it'll be there. Obviously, this will be the furthest port, and also, you know, I knew I wanted the one that's branded Ford for two reasons. One, ease of use, and then also signal reliability. The off-brand camera that I used did not have a great signal. It started off fine. It was okay while it worked, while it lasted, but it just did not last long. So I went with this. So here it is. And it's just shark fin camera set up. Let's see if I can get the money shot of everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and snap this on here. Nope, not for this. Yeah, I'm gonna snap it on there. I don't wanna move it. I don't have to move it again. So let me just put a little pressure on it, and it snaps right in there. And this will go inside the car, inside your tow vehicle. And bam. Now all the wires, like I said, my system is pre-wired for Furrion. So in this box, like I said, if you do not have a system that's pre-wired for it, you may have to buy extra parts, things like that. But mine's pre-wired for it, so you don't need to do any of that. So just go ahead and uncover these and push them right up against the vehicle, and that'll be that. So all right, let's go ahead and end this video and get started on the actual installation, which I am just excited for because I love getting new tech. Yeah. So all right, see you in the next video. If you want to know, if you're just trying to check out to see what comes in the box, like I said, if you do not have a pre-wired system, you will have to buy extra wire. So you'll probably need some extra cable. It's got a little bit. I don't know the length of this, but this will, what do I want to say, go into this. So if you have a different type, I guess you could buy this. Even if your system isn't wired for Furrion, you could, you know, you plug the actual camera into that, and this will give you power. So then you plug this into your power source into your RV. So you'd find a power source. Do not use your slide. I did that before. It's the one, that's how I did my unit. I used my slide, and it never affected the slide, but it did affect the lights in my back slide. So we just had a rear slide, and that was it was just the easiest way, so I didn't have to actually drill a hole. So I didn't want to have to drill a hole through the RV, so I just went through the slide, and yeah, I would recommend that method. But yeah, but this would just go to the power source. But I'm not going to be using this because mine is pre-wired. So mine already has a port that looks like this already inside of the RV. So basically that's all pre-wired means. It's already got this connection already made on the inside of the RV, and you just plug this up into it for power. And that's gonna mean, like I said, that's just your power. That's why it's just red and black. That's a simple power connection. No video. The video is all wireless. So if I wanted to test this before I hooked it up, I could use that. Plug this into something, you know, put a red and black cable on the battery. You know, I could touch the battery like that and I guess get power from it and do that. But I'm not gonna worry about that. We're gonna go ahead and plug it up because, like I said, it's real simple. So if it doesn't work, you can unplug it. So, all right, let's go ahead and get that started. And that's it. See you in the next video.